Langhorne Primary is normally full of children, but it is also full of creatures. Here are some flies. Did you know flies can taste with their feet? These flies are fighting each other for a territory to attract female flies. Did you know flies can look behind them and fly backwards? This is to dodge things that try to kill them. Also, flies have 3 eyes. Did you know daffodils are the Welsh flowers? Birds land on trees so predators can't reach them. Did you know birds travel in packs to keep warm during winter? Do you know what nation the red kites are from? The nation is Wales. Red kites have a fork-shaped tail with a red stripe on it. Did you know there are 10,000 species of birds? Woodlice live under logs so they can have moist for their gills. Woodlice live in groups to reduce the amount of water loss. Did you know there are more than 3,000 different species of woodlice known so far? Black worms rate water. The clitorum is the name of the ring around the worm. This is to form a cocoon for its eggs. Did you know worms have 5 hearts? Did you know worms have around 6,000 species? One of them, the most common worm, is called the nightcrawler. Worms can breathe through their skin. Did you know ants are the longest living insects? Why do ants climb trees? Ants climb trees to search for honeydew left by other insects, and they make themselves a home in the tree. Did you know there are more than 12,000 species of ants?